allocate 3%, of your budget to what you expect is going to be the goose that lays your golden egg.
Right now, still in agriculture, the government is moving to overhaul Kenya's agricultural sector, with Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe leading a push to align laws, policy and budgets to drive food security and boost exports. Now, in a meeting bringing together state agencies and parliamentary committees, leaders have agreed to fast-track key agricultural reforms aimed at cutting imports, increasing local production and unlocking global markets. The CS warns that without urgent legislative action and value addition, Kenya risks losing jobs and missing out on critical export opportunities.
What we need to do in order for us to import substitute as well as increase our exports, there are certain laws, certain changes that we can expect from the Treasury that will support the agricultural sector, not just to be revived, but to be a leading pillar as it is defined in terms of the creation of employment, creation of a better balance of trade, as well as a lot more money in the pockets of our farmers.
When it comes to food, we have agreed on a strategy to completely and progressively substitute imports. And I believe this strategy will help us out because you realize at the moment we spend more than $500 billion shillings every year importing food. And these are foods that we can grow in this country. So we've agreed on how to occasion this growth of these products so that the country becomes self-sufficient and also exports to other countries.
Right, to that, we've come to the end of this segment of the Business News this afternoon. My name is Calvin Nyakundi.